Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can record your calls on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is obviously make a phone call to someone. Just like this, here you can see now making a phone call and your phone is ringing. And in here, you can see this particular record button right here. Simply just tap on it in order to record your phone call. Now in here, you can see there is the option of continue. You can tap on continue. Then now your call is being recorded. Just like this, you can see your call is being recorded and then you can get a notification from your note application, which then your phone record will be saved in. And when you are satisfied with the recording of the call, you can simply just tap on this pause button. Then your call recording will be paused and saved. Now you can simply just cut the call since the recording has been successful. So after you have successfully recorded yourself the call record, you have to now go to your notes in order to listen to the call record that you just recorded. Simply just open your notes app and in here you can see the option of call recording. Simply tap on it. And after doing so, here you can see this is the call record with the person that you just recorded your call with. Simply tap on it. And here you can see you can tap on this play button in order to play your call record just like this. Here you can see now your recording is being played and all you have to do is tap on the pause button that you can see right here in order to pause the recording. And yeah, that is it. Pretty easy and simple, right? Just like this, you can record your calls on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.